Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the SQL. So today we are going to learn insert a row into a MySQL table and the same as updating the row. Okay. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So how to insert this one? So there is a query that is insert into the table name. This is the username and the email, which is the fields username and the email. ID is auto increment, so don't need to pass it over here, right? And the values are, so I have to add the values, the username mapped with the username, email mapped with the email. Copy this, add into the terminal. So this is how we are. You can see that okay, one row affected, right? And if I go and just check, you can see that my user, my email, automatically ID is created because it's auto incremented, right? So next we have to update that row. So update query is update. Here you need to add the my table name. So it is customers. You have to add it like the table name. Username is my user and the ID where ID is to be or where email is to be. You can update the row like this. Okay. So I'm just taking the ID. So ID is currently one. So I'm going to putting out here the one and just copying this and place this one. So customer set username to be username one. Okay, so just copying this one and entering over here, paste where ID is equal to one. What happens? Customer set username my user one where ID is to be one. It's to be one, right? So control C. Let me check this one. My user where ID is equal to this. I think this is comma is missing. Let me copy this and add it over here. Paste. Query changed. Match change. Row one affected. So let's reload this one. My user one. Okay. Another thing that you can do this one, you can change the username again with the help of the email also. So let's have a look on that also. I'm just copying this one, right? Copying and adding over here in this string where email email is this one and my user to be 2, right? I can just copy this and add the statement to the SQL, enter. Let's go and check this one, my user 2. You can see that. So this is how you are able to update, right? So any query, any doubt in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.